See that, eh? That's what 5 inches of rain does. And this was till it washed out that other side of that culvert. And there's another culvert there, and then underneath there there's 2 more. You can see the boiling water there. That hasn't washed out yet, but it looks like it gave relief to that one. So we're gonna lose most of the road, I guess. It's like sure ain't crossing here anymore for a while. I could with the Argo, I guess, right down there. I might do that later. Let's see. It's toast. In there. It's got to be black.
I got it.
Came up over the side and went into the tub. Came up over through there. Well, I've never seen it this wide. Never. Oh, yeah, washing the mud out somewhere, boy. Whew, man, that's bad. I've been here now 10 years and it's never been like this before. This road's gone too. That used to be where there was a crossing.